Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need another recommendation about the AI that can help you to create the video not only for the entertainment purposes but maybe for your business or maybe for content creating? If yes, so in this video I would like to share you and also show you how to use the Syllaby AI. And this is the one of the best AI to create the video, guys. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, in this section or this time I would like to open this Syllaby AI from my PC to get a more spacious view. And after that you can search for this syllabi like this, and you can also put the IO because in this website will be www.syllabi.io, and this will be the opening you will find over here. It's kind of the AI video generator to create the faceless video and also AI avatar, fast and also cheap, guys. Not only for the entertainment but also for your business, marketers, sales agents, and also content creator. And if you open it, it will direct you into this opening website. It's kind of the introduction that this syllabi will help you to turn any idea into the AI avatar video, B-roll video, and also the faceless video. And after that you can start to open it by clicking this login or sign up, or maybe from the start your free trial today. You can click and do the login or get into this website by clicking this 3 maybe, which one do you prefer. And after that it will also direct you into the section to let this AI get to know you. It's kind of the topic or the type of the content you would like to make. You can choose which one do you prefer, and you can also skip it anyway too, like this. And after that it will also direct you into this section. It's kind of the things, and also you will see the shadow behind this opening or this welcome message that you can create the video, and also the tool over here. And also you can take a tour with it. And for example, this section will be the faceless video. You can create the video from the text and also the B-roll video. It means that you can generate the supplementary footage to enhance the main video content. And you can also do the great transition, visual example, and also adding context. And you can also transform or convert a URL or the website into the video too. And also you can do the text to scene. It's kind of generate the professional video directly from your description using the advanced AI models, for example the VO3 and also Sora 2 and also the Seedance model. You can simply scroll down and you will see it's kind of the creations from the another user. And if you click next, you can also bulk video creation and scheduling. It's kind of the create multiple video at once and schedule them for publishing. And it will direct you again into this welcome message, and you can start to choose one that you would like to try or get introduced yourself with this Syllabi AI. You can, if you are interested to try this, the free trial, you can click this start 7-day trial. However, if you would like to try at least once, or you don't have to sacrifice this 7 days free trial, don't worry, you can click this create free video and it will direct you into this section. So you can start to create the faceless video. And since this is only first chance or only once chance, you just have one chance to create the faceless video. And you can also select the image style, for example, maybe action movie, and you can also click it to see the another option, Blockify, and also choose the languages and subtitle style, or even no subtitle at all. And you can also choose the voices that will help you to narrate the video. And also the video length. Since this only the introduction, you will have the chance to create the video only 40 seconds, I'm sorry. And also you can change the landscape or the ratio to be landscape or portrait. And also the advanced option, you will have the chance to do the setting. It's kind of changing the background music or adding the music for your video in this section. It's kind of hip hop, or even upload it from your files. And also sound effect, you can enable or disable it. The image transition, and also the folder, and also the subtitle animation, and also the animation effect. And you can also put your script in this section. I believe that if you already activate the 7 days free trial, you will have the chance to click or try this AI script assistant, and also the URL to script, and also the audio to video. And for example, this time I would like to put my script to this section. I will copy it from this Microsoft Word and put it here. And what I like about this Syllaby, you can actually add the pause, guys. For example, I will put the cursor into this space, and you can add the pause. For example, it's kind of the space between the word into the first sentence until the second sentence. For example, like this, pause, and also pause again. And for this section, I will start to put the 1 second pause or 1 second space, etc. And since we only have 40 seconds, so you can also estimate about the length of this video would be from this word that you have put into this script, and also the pause itself. And since it is almost close to 40, so I will start to remove any of it. For example, this one, until it will be enough of 40 seconds. You can put the pause into every section or the space. And after that, you can start to generate the video, and kindly wait for the generation process. Maybe it will take 1 minute until 2 minutes. And after that, you will have this ready video, for example, like this. So the theme is about the best action movie
What's
in
up,
20s.
guys? In this video, we will share you the best action movie in the 2000s. So, is your favorite one also here? Please, stay tuned. 1. The Fast and the Furious.
Something like this, guys. And after that, you can start to download it, and it will officially saved into your device over here. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Syllaby to create your project. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.